Golang. So hello guys, uh, I am starting a new playlist. In this entire playlist we will learn all the things about Golang, its feature and all these things. So Golang is the not just a language, it would be the future. Why? Because Golang provides so many simplicity in the syntax, in the concurrency that lead to reduce the response time, and many companies are migrating their code from PHP to Golang or Python Django to Golang. So it's if you are in the new and if you have an experience in the other language, then it would be very easy for you to proceed with Golang. So let's start with the Golang. So now we will learn how to install the Golang. So basically you can install Golang at the Golang install, and then just click on the download, go for Mac, and yeah. But wait, we are not going proceeding with this step. We will use the smart approach to install the Golang, and that is GVM. I will provide the link for this GitHub repo. So you just need to install the GVM. So GVM stands for Golang version management. Why this is important? This is important because if let's say in the future you wanted to change the version, and if you followed the GVM, then it would be very easy for you to change the version. So let's proceed. Let's run this command. So looks like it has installed the Golang. So you just need to run GVM install. Let's say we are installing Golang 1.18, then we will end up installing the Golang this version. Just wait for the minutes, and then we till then we can proceed with this document. So in this document, first we will install, then we will run the GVM use our Golang, the version that we wanted to use. If you wanted to make it default, then you can run this command as well with the version. So why GVM is important? GVM is important because if let's say now you wanted to work on Go 1.18, 1.17 version or 1.16, then it would be very easy for you to change the Go version. And also if yeah, it's installing anyway. So as you can say that it's installed. Now if we will run the GVM list, then we can find all this is the list that has been installed. Similarly, if I wanted to use, then also similarly we can install 1.17 as well, and it would be installed. So in the next video we will start writing our first Go code. So bye bye till now.